What does Greengeeks do? Greengeeks is an eco-friendly web hosting provider offering a range of hosting services, including shared, reseller, VPS, and WordPress hosting. Their hosting platform is specially engineered for speed, security, and sustainability, with data centers located in the United States, Canada, Europe, and the Asia-Pacific region. Whether you're running a personal blog, an online store, or a corporate website, Greengeeks has scalable solutions to fit your needs. But there's even better news. Greengeeks is currently running Black Friday deals with amazing discounts. If you're considering starting a website or upgrading your hosting, now is the perfect time to take advantage of these limited-time offers. Key features of Greengeeks. 1. Eco-friendly hosting. Greengeeks is committed to sustainability. They invest 3 times the energy consumed by their servers back into renewable energy sources. Additionally, they plant a tree for every hosting plan sold, making them one of the most environmentally conscious hosting providers available. 2. High performance. Greengeeks ensures your website runs smoothly with SSD storage, Lightspeed servers, and a free content delivery network, CDN, for fast page loads. Their platform also supports cutting-edge technologies like PHP 8 and HTTP/3, ensuring top-tier performance. 3. Enhanced security, with features like real-time monitoring, nightly backups, and account isolation. Greengeeks provides robust protection for your website. Their advanced security measures ensure your data remains safe from cyber threats. 4. Scalable hosting solutions. Whether you're starting small or already running a high-traffic site, Greengeeks offers plans that scale with your needs. Start with shared hosting and upgrade to VPS or reseller hosting as your website grows. 5. 24/7 customer support. Greengeeks' expert support team is available around the clock to assist you with any technical or account-related issues. Hosting plans and Black Friday discounts. This Black Friday, Greengeeks is offering exclusive discounts across all their hosting plans. Shared hosting, starting at just $1.95 per month during the sale, ideal for personal websites and small businesses. WordPress hosting, also starting at $1.95 per month, optimized specifically for WordPress users. Reseller hosting, perfect for entrepreneurs, starting at $29.95 per month. VPS hosting, for large-scale projects, starting at $39.95 per month. These prices are a significant markdown from their regular rates, so don't miss out. Why choose Greengeeks this Black Friday? Environmentally responsible. Reduce your website's carbon footprint with Greengeeks' renewable energy initiatives. Blazing fast performance. Keep your visitors engaged with fast-loading pages. Massive discounts. Black Friday is the best time to lock in Greengeeks' premium hosting at unbeatable prices. Take advantage of these deals today. Ready to power your website with Greengeeks? Click the link below the video description to grab their Black Friday discounts before they're gone. With Greengeeks, you'll get high-quality hosting while making a positive impact on the environment. Don't wait, these offers are only available for a limited time.